Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my Corvitas vlog. For today's video guys, dito tayo sa camp Girl Scout and Boy Scout guys, no, dito sa may elementary and kinder sa may Sarino Elementary School dito sa Barangay Lanoro, Hagonoy, Davao del Sur. Okay guys, ito yung camp ng ng ating kinder. Okay guys, punta natin yung iba. What's this? Ito guys ang Camp Antonio Luna. Grade 1. Camp Nelson Dabiano, Lapu-Lapu. Dito tayo sa grade. Uy. Unsa ka din yung grade, Ping? Unsa din grade dire? Grade 3. Ay, si Ma'am Sinaida man pala ito. I-vlog nato, Ma'am, no. Oh, ito yung Camp Jigo Silang. Grade 3 pupils. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Good morning. Good morning, Ma'am. Good morning. Ito yung grade 3. Ito yung... Good morning, ma'am! Vlog natin, ma'am, no?
Hi, good morning!
Good morning, good morning. Ito yung grade... Camp Apolinario Mabini. Anong grade to, ma'am?
Grade 4 po.
Grade 4. Okay, thank you. Good morning. Hello, good morning, Camp Andres Bonifacio. Nasaan na si ma'am? Wala pa. Anong grade to? Grade 5. Wala pa inyong ma'am. Okay, sige. Thank you. Dito ta sa grade 6. Hello, good morning. Ito yung grade 6, no? Camp Jose Rizal. Wala pa inyong ma'am? Okay. Sige, sige. Thank you. Vlog natin sa YouTube So guys, ito yung ito yan guys yung Lanoro, Serino Lanoro Elementary School dito sa Davao del Sur guys, no. Ito kasi ngayon ang ilahang camping day sa Girl Scout and Boy Scout. So ito yung kanilang first day yata of campaign.